Hello friends. Last week we were expecting market to trade above 18,100 mark, but we went completely wrong. Market started above 18,100, made high above 18,200, holds 18,100 on Monday, but then after it kept losing 100 points each day on Nifty. It went and closed below 18,000 on Tuesday, 17,900 on Wednesday, and on Thursday it even went below 17,700, but somehow manages to close above 17,750 with weekly loss of more than 330 points. What surprises us more that volatility was around 15 all over a week and PCR below 1 for more than a month. Still market lost more than 300 points. Why so? And now what next? Market has stopped out for consolidating for next big move. Being in share market for more than 15 years, now what we learned so far is one must not challenge the market move. Rather, one need to find the reasons to justify the market move. And we also knew that market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty levels with Nifty now along with then index P and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII, DII, buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review for the week re-ended on 18th November 2021. Last week Nifty made high of 18,210, low of 17,689 and closed at 17,765. Now let's look at Nifty journey. On 18th November 2020, Nifty was at 12,938, which is up by 4,827 points. That is almost 37% gain. 3 years back it was at 10,682, is up by more than 7,000 points. That is around 66% gain. And 5 years back Nifty was at 8,074, which is now up almost 9,700 points. That is more than 120% gain. Before going to FII and DII data, if you find the given information useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your suggestions in comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. This will encourage us to give enriched content. Now coming back to FII and DII data. FII selling is continuing. Last week FII sold for more than 4,400 crore and DII bought for 4,049 crore. In November so far, FII sold for 10,000 crore and DII bought for more than 9,600 crore. In current financial year, foreign institution investors have sold for more than 78,500 crore in Indian share market, whereas domestic plus retail money have bought for more than 65,500 crore. Moving to option chain data, looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and puts together suggests market trading range is still positioned around 17,500 to 18,500 levels in near term. To conclude, last week market decisively broke the first support of 17,900 but respected the second support of 17,700. Coming week is the last week of monthly FNO expiry and PCR is below 1. Expecting market to respect last week low of 17,689 and won't go below 17,700 levels. 17,500 will act as a good support. On a higher side, it has multiple hurdles from 17,900 to 18,000 till 18,500 levels. It will be interesting to see how market acts in coming week. Will it manages to cross these multiple hundreds or consolidates 17,500 to 17,900 levels? Let's see. Thanks for watching Budgetary TVs. Happy new week ahead. Let's meet and next week with new analysis.